Hi, this is Asing. You are now watching Asing Math TV. In this video, we will learn how to use the T function in the Casio calculator. First, we press mode for 2 times until we see as T function 1. Input the data set that we have 1 and plus 3 and plus 3 and plus 5 and plus 7 and plus 8 and plus. Then press EC. To standardize the value 4, press 4, Shift 3, 4 to standardize. Press equal. Then we will obtain the standardized value. If we are asked to determine the probability of x more than 4 if x follow normal distribution, then we can shift 3 more than means that right hand side to the right, then we choose R3 and we press answer and we press equal, then we will obtain the probability and we done. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.